All right, so here's the thing. I am traveling right now, coming back from MegaCon, and I totally left all of my paints in New Orleans. So I have time to kill. I wanted to paint something. So I decided to go into Michael's and see how much a plein air kit would be from scratch. Let's see what we wind up with. This kit looks pretty good. Got some good colors in there. And $6. This one's got a whole bunch of brushes. $6. My medium is going to be the only thing that's not on sale and I can't find for cheap. But this stuff really helps with plein air painting. It's $11, but it's also going to last for a really long time. All right, so I've got my receipt right here, and I bought canvases, I bought paints, I bought medium, I bought brushes, and I spent a grand total of, $25.33. And that got me 2 canvases. It got me brushes that I can use multiple times, and it got me a whole bunch of paints and linseed and liquid that I'm going to be able to use for at least 3 or 4 paintings, if not more than that. So, you know, those people who say that oil painting's expensive, it's really not. It's really cheap to get started and just go out and paint. Well, like always, I got distracted by painting. So I'll show you where I'm at right now, and then we'll kind of go from there. But mainly, I'm enjoying just kind of trying to capture that brush and those greens and browns in the background, and haven't even started the sky yet, but that's okay because it changes so quickly. So I finished my painting and was gonna leave, and as I was packing up, somebody sat there and was like, hey, right across the prairie is a walking trail, and there are possibly horses and bison just roaming around. So I decided I was gonna go check it out. And just like that, I am leaving the forest behind, and I'm making my way into the prairies of Florida. Man, look at this. This is crazy. Yeah, pretty sure I found a gator. I think I'm 20 feet away. This is just too cool. I don't see any bison or horses, but I can't believe this is in the middle of Florida and 75 is right over there. Well, I didn't see any horses or bison. Saw a gator, saw some deer, lots of birds. Still, really beautiful park. Would definitely recommend coming back here. And apparently there's other trails that can be walked, so maybe that's where all the bison and horses are? I don't know. We'll try it out next time. Now, I'm not a wildlife specialist, but I'm pretty sure that I want to stay further away than 20 feet from wild alligators.